Have you heard the expression, cool people are born in September? You're probably thinking, who told you that? Or, that's not true. Well, I'm the example of that. It's my birthday! Well, it's not my birthday now or next week, but it's really, really soon. My birthday comes on the 22nd of September. And while most people receive gifts for their birthday, I would like to give you something. Here's the thing, all my content is for free. You can go and watch my videos and learn about history, about traveling, about my intake, about life and positivity. And if you don't understand something or you want to know something more, you can always message me and I always reply. So everything's for free and I'm reachable. What can I give you? It's not like I'm selling sofas that I can ship a sofa to you. The only thing I am selling is an online course and a book called How to Talk to Strangers. This is a subject I truly believe in and now I have the opportunity to take advantage of you. Because although the book is not expensive, some of you haven't bought it yet. And some of you are my friends, I know who you are. Anyway, you have the opportunity to take advantage and get a book in the form of online course, or a Kindle, or even a hard copy. How? First of all, if you're on Udemy, Udemy is a platform, one of the platforms that I have my online course. The other one is Skillshare. So on Udemy, on the 20th, 21st, and 22nd, you'll be able to get the online course for free. You will not pay anything. It will be all for free given to you. Then, the book, when it comes to book, there is a Kindle version that will be available for free for 5 days, ending on the 22nd. On the 22nd, everything finishes, capito, finito, no more. So on the 22nd, you go till the 22nd, so 5 days, what is it? I think it's the 18th. From the 18th, go to Amazon, How to Talk to Strangers by Curious Pavel, find it, and the Kindle version will be for free. However, there is this feeling if you have a paper book in you. It's a different feeling. So I would like to give one of those books to you. All you have to do is send me a curious fact. Send a fact, get a book. How this works? Pretty simple. If you know a fact that made you say, wow, or I didn't know that, or that's curious, send it to me. I would like to read it. And then if you already sent it to me back a while ago because people were sending me facts, please resend that. Here's the thing. I already have a list of 50 curious facts that made me say, wow. It's on the curiouspavel.com page. So if you send me a fact that is already in that page, that will not count. So if you don't know a fact, go and research, find something, send it to me. I'm curious to read it. I'm curious to see it. Please wow me. Then everything closes once again on the 22nd of September. Once 22nd of September finishes and we're on the 23rd, I will not be receiving any more facts. That means you will not be able to get a book. Send me those facts. I will pick the most curious one that is wowing for me and I will send you a book wherever you are in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. You can be in India, you can be in Pakistan, you can be in Mexico, you can be in Argentina, if in Antarctica, if you're there and watching, if there is a post service, I'll send it to you there as well. No problem, just send me a fact and I'll send you a book after you wow me.